how to close a meetup group. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can close a meetup group. So how do you go about it? The first step is to log into your meetup account just like I've done here, and then go to the meetup group page that you would like to close. For me, I'm currently using the free version of meetup, so I don't have any group page. But for you, since you're trying to close a group page, I'm sure that you already have one. So navigate to the home page of the meetup group you want to close. Okay. And so once you're on the group page, click on manage group. All right, on the group page interface. All right, click on manage group, and so once you click on manage group, you will see a number of options. Among these options, select step down as organizer. All right, from the drop down menu that will be displayed, select drop down as organizer. Then you'd have to provide a reason. Okay, after providing a reason and all of that, you will then see the option delete the meetup, and then confirm by clicking the delete this meetup button. And then once you're done, click on done, and the group page would be deleted automatically. I'm sorry that I can't show you a vivid tutorial. It's because I don't have a group yet. But once you have a group page, navigate to the group page, click on manage group, and you drop down menus, select step down as organizer, and then you'll be taken to another page. On this page, select all of the members that you want to remove, and then provide a reason for stepping down. Then choose the option delete the meetup, confirm your deletion, and then the group page would be closed down. This is how you can close a meetup group. Thank you for watching and have a good day.